ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ക്രിയേറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റഡീസ്. നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി കാർഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് 8 മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് പാർട്ട് 3 യൂണിറ്റ് 3 ആണ്. പാർട്ട് 2ഉം 1 നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് ദയവായി കാണുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ആക്ടിവിറ്റി 1. Do you see this figure? It is a part of a picture given in the chapter polygon. In lady's finger, we can notice a 5-sided polygon, and in honeycomb, we can see a 6-sided polygon. Consider the polygon given below. Write the number of sides and name of the polygon. First one. What is the shape of the cross section of the lady's finger? Answer: pentagon. Second one. What is the shape of the honeycomb? Answer: hexagon. Third one. There are 20 panels stitched together to make a football. What are the shapes of the panels shown in the figure? Answer: pentagon, hexagon. Activity 2. When a diagonal is drawn, the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So the sum of angles of the quadrilateral is 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Complete the table given below. Activity 3. Find the sum of angles of a 12-sided polygon. Answer: number of sides equal to 12. Sum of angles equal to 12 minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 10 into 180 degree equal to 1800 degree. Second question. The sum of angles of a polygon is 900 degree. How many sides does it have? Answer: sum of angles equal to 900 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 900 degree. Number of sides equal to 900 by 180 plus 2 equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Activity 4. In figure, the side BC is extended to D. First one. Which is the inner angle of C? Which is the outer angle? Answer: inner angle equal to angle ACB. Outer angle equal to angle ACD. Second question. How many outer angles a triangle have? Answer: 3. Third question. The sum of inner angles and outer angles at a vertex is dash. Answer: 180 degree. Activity 5. In figure, 3 angles of the quadrilateral are given. A. What is the measure of inner angle at D? Answer: measure of inner angle at D equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree equal to 360 minus 270 degree equal to 90 degree. B. What is the measure of outer angle at A? Measure of outer angle at A equal to 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. C. What is the measure of outer angle at B? Answer: measure of outer angle at B equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. D. What is the measure of outer angle at C? Answer: measure of outer angle at C equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. E. What is the measure of outer angle at D? Answer: measure of outer angle at D equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Activity 6. The inner angle of a regular polygon is 144 degree. A. What is the measure of outer angle at a vertex? B. What is sum of measures of outer angles? C. How many sides does it have? The inner angle of a polygon is 144 degree. At a vertex, measure of inner angle plus measure of outer angle equal to 180 degree. Measure of outer angle equal to 180 degree minus 144 degree equal to 36. Sum of measures of outer angles equal to 360 degree. Number of sides equal to 360 minus 36 equal to 10. Activity 7. In figure, a square, a regular pentagon and a regular hexagon are put together. Find angle ABC. Measure of one angle of square equal to 90 degree angle ABC. Measure of angle of regular pentagon equal to 108. Measure of an angle of regular hexagon equal to 120. Sum of these angles equal to 90 plus 108 plus 120 equal to 318 degree. Angle ABC equal to 360 minus 380 equal to 42 degree. So angle ABC equal to 42 degree. അപ്പം ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായി വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമാവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവായി ഈ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും കമൻറ്റും ചെയ്യുക. മാത്രമല്ല ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള നല്ല വീഡിയോസിനായി ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും കൂടി ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പം അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ വരുന്നവരെ ബൈ.